shook the world before with my anger, and now I want to shake the world with my ambition and with my love for my music and my acting, and generally for my comrades.
Hey, Storm, motherfuckers out here tripping. Yeah, it's with these bitches by their collar, baby. Comrades, comrades.
All you motherfuckers who be trying to flip and trip when that's a blip of shit. Did wrong for you rap bitches. So prepare to get some fuckified for some real outlaws.
Fucking with the midst of my comrades. Must be so crazy. Bitch, I beat your boy down. Standing in the midst of my comrades. Bitches can't fake me. Plotting with the boys. Fucking with the midst of my comrades. Have you really thought about your partner's participation? Bloody murder, some a lot of administration. Now in fairness to conversation. Cause it's your place to take the time to contemplate what you'll be facing. Looking at oh shit, don't get shot, bitches. All in your clips to eat pops to eat. Prepare for the motherfucking death blood. Cause every rapper in the industry is history is death. I'm not bad boy, you're so. Yeah, if I make it down before the roots like the motherfuckers. Since you get this eyes on my little rhyme, criminal rhymes from the mind of a thug. Shake it, take time, take it to the next phase. You ain't the time like talk shit. Now bitches busters getting checkmate. These days, motherfuckers talk shit and clown snitch. When you see them, they ain't talking about shit. Them bust signs so crazy. Bitch, I beat your boy that's standing in the midst of my comrades. Bitches can't fade me. Plotting what they do is crash. Fucking with the midst of my comrades. See right now the way this shit is situated. Niggas eliminated simply for being affiliated. Clearly stated, but still I know you hate it. We got a heartless to play, man. Y'all niggas is at the top, so let's make this happen. Fuck the rapping, let's get this rapping. So everybody can see what's happening. You nigga come up and dirty like it. Mouth can sing your pocket. Your boy love access. When you're on the track, speak up and let the slugs laughing. Your chest section, death is now stepped in. Bitch, shit out your lesson while your chest was still present. But I was past tense, no question asking. How west is cold, massive, better than must be so crazy. Bitch, I beat your boy down, standing in the midst of my comrades. Bitches can't fade me. Plotting with the boys, fucking with the midst of my comrades. For you niggas in the scheme, this what we gon' rock it. As I hit the ground, try to do it like the bands. Like fast, cause I'm a blast on your shit. Listen up, we're switching that some on the chalk. I wanna know which one you niggas got on me. I can put you in your part from the start. Leave you sleeping in the dark. So grab my dick in your eye. Cause I'ma bring my sister down, stop to hold your bitch ass up. So crazy, bitch, you ain't on me that far. Cause why the problem, bro? You ain't on me shit, bitch. Dollar bro, got a dirty collar, throw the rag and AK. So death and bad boys. I got some shit to twist, niggas in my dick. Red some of these enemy niggas split they hands up. The lines are popping, they can switch over the fence without getting wet. Fucking with thugs, can't catch no this bitch so crazy. Bitch, beat your boy, man, standing in the midst of my comrades. Bitches can't fade me. Blocking what they do is bad. Fucking with the midst of my comrades. But niggas since 79, respect mine, nigga. Fuck a rapper, mouse rapper. Let's keep my killers putting in work. Land them with a good for recreation. To increase my criminal elevation on probation. Don't matter, shell scatters when I start to jump. Leaving lumps and holes for my rap pumps. You little chumps don't miss, but getting twisted on the west. Real best and bangers, such the last for the trick people. I'ma get you with evil living forever. Really now I'm a side, got me preoccupied. Get alive. I told you that I never wondered when will I die. But be a short nigga, word born. It's not a song, you can only survive if you be strong. Until I'm gone, I'm not so mad, boy. Middle finger to the crack. Don't get your young ass smashed. So crazy. Bitch, I beat your boy back. Standing in the midst of my comrades. Bitches can't fade me. Rockin' with the boys, fucking with the midst of my comrades. So crazy. Bitch, I beat your boy back. Standing in the midst of my comrades. Bitches can't fade me. Rockin' with the boys, fucking with the midst of my comrades. So crazy. Bitch, I beat your boy back. Standing in the midst of my comrades. Bitches can't fade me. Rockin' with the boys, fucking with the midst of my comrades. Look at you. How you motherfuckers know you love this shit. When you see all of the shit. Thugs, shit. Outlaw these models. What the hell is this shit? You just breathe yourself like the outlaw these models. You don't know thug out it. Nigga, do you know outlaw these models? The thugs, the outlaw these models. Thug out it, motherfuckers. You know how to get outlaw these models. It's thug life.